Hello all traders, today is Wednesday, 20th of November 2024, and we're going to look at the trades that we're going to take on Nasdaq, Dow Jones and S&P 500 futures. If we see low risk opportunities, as you see from the daily chart, we were in uptrend, but now if we look at the 1 hour macro chart, we see that the price during the global session was fluctuating above the previous day close, but it broke that level. And by looking at 10-minute macro chart, we see that the price is below the previous day close on Nasdaq and the selling pressure is strong. So our plan of action is to take downtrend moves. If we see the momentum is good and the selling pressure is good, we take sell short position till the price reach this level of supports around the previous day close and low. And when the buyers come back, we will take long position in a well-established uptrend. So stay tuned and we're going to update you with any trade that we're going to take today. So we're back and we see that the price went down strongly and we entered there for several sell short positions. And now that the buyers are coming back, I took one long position here with setup B on Nasdaq, which was closed with profit. Now I'm setting limit orders for this pullback to be filled. And if the buying pressure is strong, I will take pullback of the long position. Otherwise, I will take sell short position below this limit. So I re-entered again long position with setup C here and close it for a quick scalp. Again, another entry which was closed with a small loss on Dow Jones. And we have one position on Nasdaq which was closed with break even. The volatility is high and the direction is not very clear, so I'm gonna finish here and come back later. So the Dow Jones was more trendy, so I took one long position with setup C, which has 50% chance. And on other E-minis, I'm waiting for the price to go further down and come back to take long position or take sell short positions if the selling pressure is strong. The Dow Jones position was closed with loss. So we're back again and slightly negative for the day, and the selling pressure was strong, so I took one sell short position at this turning point, and this was closed with profit. And again, I take another sell short position if I see good pullback or selling pressure gets strong. So it seems this selling pressure is strong enough to reach the target in the other side of channel. So we close this also with profit and waiting for the price that reached the support area. So we're back again and the price got rejected at this level of support, which was round number. And I took several long positions with setup B and C on Nasdaq and waiting for the buyers, and the buyers push the price to the target. So from here I take setup T repeatedly and more aggressively also after breaking this level of support, which is important. If this level breaks and we have a pullback, we will take long position again. We set also limit orders on Dow Jones and S&P 500 and waiting for them to be filled. This is very important area. So the position on S&P 500 was filled and I entered manually long position on Dow Jones. It's about 10:13 and we have 15 position with 66% win rate on the long side. So I came back again, and because the buying pressure was strong, I took another long position on Nasdaq, and we can see the result of all these trades now. So all these signals were copied by copy trader to multiple Apex Trader funding accounts, and you see performance on this account, which shows it was positive with profit factor of 4.22, which is coming from 71% win rate, 68% from 16 long position, and 80% from 5 sell short positions. The average win to loss ratio was 1.69. The largest winning trade was 365 from long positions, and the largest losing trade was $339. So hope this trade taken by the PAAT system for fast scalping is useful for you, and let us know if you have any questions. Have a wonderful day.